Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. From ChatGPT to Google Cloud AI, companies are using AI everywhere. And the people who learn these skills are landing the best jobs, the highest salaries, and a serious career advantage. That's why in today's video, I'm breaking down the top 7 online AI courses in 2025 from Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. Whether you're a beginner who just wants to understand generative AI or a professional looking for an advanced certification, I've got you covered. And here's the best part. I've put all the course links in the description below, so you can check them out while you watch. Let's start with Google. If you're just beginning your AI journey, Google AI Essentials on Coursera is the perfect first step. You'll learn how generative AI works, how to write better prompts, productivity hacks for work, and how to use AI responsibly. The best part? You get a certificate from Google, which is a great boost to your resume. Since it's beginner-friendly, you don't need a technical background to get started. For something quick and easy, there's Introduction to Generative AI on Google Cloud Skills Boost. This is a short micro-learning course that explains the difference between generative AI and traditional machine learning, plus real-world use cases like content creation and business automation. It's free, fast, and a great way to get familiar with the basics. If you're interested in combining cloud and AI, check out Cloud Computing Foundations. This course covers how AI models run on the cloud, how data is stored, and how businesses scale AI applications. Cloud skills are in huge demand, so pairing this with AI knowledge makes you stand out even more. Another solid choice is Applying AI Principles with Google Cloud. This course is about more than just technical skills. It focuses on responsible and ethical AI, teaching you frameworks for fairness and accountability in AI systems. If you want to be known as someone who understands both technology and ethics, this one is for you. Now, let's move on to Microsoft. They've partnered with LinkedIn to offer career essentials in generative AI. This course is beginner-friendly, practical, and covers how AI is transforming industries. It gives you hands-on projects and also discusses the ethical side of AI. It's perfect if you want to boost your career prospects right away. For those who want something advanced, the Microsoft AI and Machine Learning Engineering Professional Certificate on Coursera is a top pick. It dives into AI infrastructure, algorithms, and how to build solutions using Microsoft Azure. You'll also earn a professional certificate that employers actually recognize. If you're aiming for a career in AI engineering, this is a game changer. And if you're ready to go even further, check out the Azure AI Engineer Associate Certification. This program trains you to design, implement, and manage AI solutions on Azure. It's one of the most valuable certifications out there. And although it's challenging, passing it will make you stand out in the job market. Finally, we have OpenAI. They've announced the upcoming OpenAI Academy, with official certifications expected to launch in late 2025 or early 2026. This is going to be huge because it's coming directly from the creators of ChatGPT. Imagine being able to put an official OpenAI certification on your resume. That's going to carry serious weight with employers. So there you have it, the top 7 online AI courses from Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. If you're ready to future-proof your career, don't just watch this video. Take action. All the course links are in the description below. Start today, get certified, and step confidently into the world of AI.